Hello, how are you today? Today's lesson, I'm going to talk about the laws again. As you know, everything works according to the laws and your own mind. Whatever the circumstances or the results you are getting because the way you are using your own mind, and that's what you're seeing outside your mind, outside whatever the happening around. It's the way you are using your own mind according to the universal laws. So this is what I have learned, and this is what I have learned it, and applying these laws and according to my own mind. And definitely you're going to see the change. And so today we're going to talk about the law of sacrifice. So we have, this is a very important law. People are little bit confused about this law, and this is what I learned and from my mentor. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal, and I am consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentor is Bob Proctor. I don't know, you know Bob Proctor. He was in the Secret movie. And Bob Proctor taught this information more than 60 years. Do you know why he did? Because this information works and still working. I have used it and I have applied it. I'm still applying all around my goals and everyday to everyday life. And this is what my awareness is. This is what I'm sharing with you. And this is what Bob taught more than, he taught this information more than 60 years. So the law of sacrifice, this is what we are masterminding today. Masterminding is not one side, masterminding is a both side. I would like to know your goals, where you are stuck, what are you trying to achieve 2023, and what is not working for you. And if you do need a further help around where you are stuck or you want to ask question, you have to ask. Without asking, you're not going to see the change. So you have to ask and leave the comments. I would love to read your comments. And let's start talking about the law of sacrifice. The law of sacrifice is, most people think they have to give their life to achieve something or have something. What is that real meaning of this law is, you have to sacrifice your lower nature, not yourself, your lower nature. Lower nature means you might have some nature which you want to do something, and then you just telling yourself, oh, I'll leave it, or I will do it tomorrow. And it just excuses actually. And sometimes we do that, and sometimes we say, oh, I'll do it tomorrow, I don't have time, or I cannot do it. And what this is a nature we have. So if you have really strong desire and goals around your business or something you want, then you have to be disciplined. So if you see in the Olympic people playing games, and they practice their games every single day. This is the reason they are winning. And this is the reason you see they're so good when they're playing the games. And you can take anything, and you have to give time. You have to give your lower nature something not working for you, and then you have to replace that with something you want, something. So example, for me, sometimes I don't feel like doing something, say example, like writing gratitude, and sometimes I say, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. But no, to receive something, you have to give something. I have to give my time. I have to give persistent, like doing things every day, doing my gratitude, and then definitely where my focus is, where's my energy is, where my desire is, that's what I'm going to achieve. So I have to sacrifice something to replace something and to achieve something. So if you're leaving things and you because of the reason, and you think I will do it tomorrow, and that is a lower nature. You have to give that to receive something. There's a law, vacuum of prosperity. You have to leave something to replace that something with something. You have to give something to receive something. This is a law of universe world. And to give something, we have to receive something back. That is a replace of giving something and receiving something. So that is a law. So you have to give something to receive something. So whatever you're trying to achieve or you're trying to do, and then you have to sacrifice that. And if you're not going to do that, and without sacrifice, and you're not going to achieve it. So if you have goals, then you have to be persistent every single day, and you have to take action every single day to leave something not working for you and then receive something you would like to see it working for you. So to take the action, you have to leave your lower nature, not to take action every day, and then you have to replace that to take action every single day. So you're leaving something behind to receive something, and it's it's a law. So people, if you can understand these laws, then you're definitely going to take action. For me, I almost take everyday action. I do the meditation, I do my gratitude, and I read something, I listen something. I have to give something to receive something. And this is the reason I'm receiving the things I want. I'm achieving my goals because I left my lower nature. Lower nature means I am taking the action. Like before, I would say, I'll do it tomorrow, or I'll leave it. I don't feel like doing gratitude today. Just leave it, or I'll do it tomorrow. But because I know, because laws are working all the time, the energy is working all the time, we're replacing something with something. So to leave something, we have to replace with something. So this is how the mind works. This is how the laws works. So sacrifice, law of sacrifice is not sacrifice yourself or body, and we have to sacrifice our lower natures. If you don't get up early, that is a lower nature. You have to replace with get up early. Or if you don't take action every day, and that is a lower nature. You have to be persistent every day. You have to take an action every day, and then you replacing with something to gain something. So that is what we call a law of sacrifice. And there is nothing something for nothing. So there is always something for something. So it's a law again. There's nothing something for nothing. So this is what I'm trying to say. So law of sacrifice is an important law, and it's a law and is working all the time. And what we have to understand, what is a law of sacrifice. So if you want to achieve your goals, and you would like to see something, whatever you desire, then you have to give something to receive something. And that is you're exchanging with something to have something, like to exchange with something, exchanging energy to energy. That's what we're really doing. And that's a simple way to explanation. And hopefully you're going to start using this law of sacrifice. So whatever you have to give to receive something, or being a persistent, or taking the action every day, or get up early in the morning, or write your gratitude every day, or do meditation, do visualization. So you have to give something to receive something. For to do this lesson for you, I have to give my time to replace that. I must do the life. And because I'm giving my time, I'm giving my energy for good cause. It's a good cause. Of course, I'm helping others. Helping others, helping me. Definitely, I'm replacing something. I have to sacrifice. I have to not to watch TV, or or do something, and then I have to sacrifice that time. And that time I know I have to uh, do the live and to help others, and it's gonna benefit others. And it's a law. If you're giving something, you're gonna receive something back. It's a law again. So we have to understand these laws. Once you do understand, then you don't mind sacrificing something to replacing with something, but you have to understand this law. I think hopefully this lesson going to help you. It's really helping me. It's a law, whether you believe it or whether you don't believe it. It's working all the time, but you have to work with this law. So, and with your own mind. And I think, and that's all I wanted to share. This is what I have learned, and I'm applying it every single day, and it's really helping me all around my life. And hopefully, these laws and your how to work with your own mind, and you can start using these laws and how to use your own mind, and you can benefit from it also as your goals or something you really desire, whatever, and around your business. And I would like to know your comments. I always read your comments, and please leave your comments. If you're stuck or if you would like to ask questions, please ask questions and ask, and the answer is going to be there. It's a law again, but you have to take the action. Action is a reaction, and cause and effect. So you are the cause, you are the fact. So how would you like to see the effect? So it's all up to you. And thank you for watching the YouTube, and watch it again and again, because what I'm sharing with you is not just something, it's really good information I'm sharing with. This is what I have learned, and this is what I'm sharing with you. So hopefully you're going to start using the laws and then start working around your goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube and letting me share the information with you, and have a great day. And today you're going to start using law of sacrifice. Sacrifice, you have to give some lower nature to gain something higher nature. So thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.